In the recession which is now hitting Spain, like the rest of the world, Mondragon has not yet sacked a single worker. Instead, they send them back to school. These students are workers from the Ulgor factory, temporarily redundant. They're doing a course in automation. When it's over, they'll go back to their factory if production has picked up. If not, they'll be found jobs in another expanding co-op. In either case, they'll be better qualified to cope with the changing shape of industry. Robert Oakeshott again.
Only once has there been a sacking, and that arose out of the only internal strike in the co-op's 25 years of history. I have to say internal strike because there have been from time to time general solidarity stoppages in association with campaigns for greater Basque autonomy and things of that kind. This one strike occurred at Ulgor in 1974. By that time, the employment in Ulgor already exceeded 2,000 people. The ostensible cause of the strike was a dispute about job classification. Its immediate outcome was the decision to fire 17 ringleaders, and that decision was taken by the Sovereign General Assembly of the whole cooperative. But its long-term outcome was more important. The co-ops learnt a lesson. The lesson that they learnt was that there comes a size when, however intelligently and sophisticatedly the structures have been arranged, co-op communication will break down and disputes will be liable to take place. So, from then on, it was decided that except in exceptional circumstances, no co-op would be allowed to exceed 500 people. And if there was a danger of that happening, then every effort would be made to split up the enterprise into independent component units.